So thanks for tuning in to our 6-part series on plasma cutting. So far we've learned how to configure the machine, set up the torch, the consumables, and we went outside and we made some cuts. So now we're going to look at these cuts and we're going to talk about things that can make your plasma cuts a little more proficient. So we're going to start with the bevel cut on the end. Notice how we have a pretty straight line according to the angle. Keep in mind that when you're bevel cutting, you can use a piece to guide you. Our next two cuts are at a different amperage. So the kerf, the K-E-R-F, is the amount of metal that is removed from the cut. So at a higher amperage, we have more metal removed from the cut. At the lower amperage, we have a little bit less material removed from the cut. The fourth cut up was really too fast. So all of the dross or slag come to the top. This particular cut did not pierce the metal and did not go through to the bottom side. The next cut in line was done with a really shaky, unsteady hand and free cut. So if you were doing a lot of cuts like this and then you had to weld, you're going to have to grind a lot of edges because you got these irregular gouges involved. Then we commenced to cutting some circles. Remember, when you cut the circle, you're going to run that plasma torch straight up and down. So to begin to cut a circle, I would pierce, and then I would start at the diameter of my circle, and then this one would connect on across to make a good, true, free-handed circle, just like we have here. So thanks for watching our 5th part in our 6-part series for plasma cutting. Keep in mind that Kentucky Welding Institute is more than just cutting and welding. We have all the safety requirements that your employers are going to need from OSHA, ASHI, and MSHA, and the other industry recognized certifications through NCCER and NCCO.